Hi, YouTube folks. This is Don. I'm not saying, I'm just saying. That's today's subject of the armchair philosopher. So come along on this road trip with me and we'll cover that subject. On Highway 5, heading north in Northern California, when you come to the small town Wairika, if you turn off left on the first intersection that goes into the town of Wairika and you go across the overpass, you hit the intersection, turn left again, and head out on Highway 3. You will soon be on the road that I'm currently driving, and this road goes up over Forest Hill. Beautiful drive through this area of forest. When you reach the top of the hill, take a quick glance out over the scenery into Fort Jones Valley, which is another very interesting historic area that we're going to cover in another video. Stay tuned. I'm not saying, I'm just saying. So back to the subject of this particular video. I have a fellow that I watch on a YouTube video called Campervan Kevin, and you can see his sticker right over here. And if you haven't seen his video page, you need to go take a look at it and his video blog. And he often uses that phrase when he's talking in his videos. He claims and has talked about he's got it from his brother who has passed away a while back. Anyway, when he's talking about something and the way he uses, I think it's really important for today's world. And I'd like to kind of explain how I see what he's saying. And so I'd start this way. I'm not saying is a way of saying, well, I heard what you said and I understand what you said and I hear it. But then he says, I'm just saying, is a way for him to say then, okay, I've heard you, but this is kind of the way I look at that particular item. And then he'll go on and talk about what he has to say. So in this world that is so divided, especially in America, I think it's time that a lot of us could start using, I'm not saying, I'm just saying, as a way to talk with people on the other side of the fence from us, to begin a discussion so we can start to understand each other. Hey, look, there's enough countries, and there's another thing would just love to see America fall apart. So I think we ought to come together and be brothers. That's the best way to make America strong again. I'm not saying, I'm just saying, let's get along. Back to Campervan Kevin for a minute. I really think you ought to take to watch. But one of the other things so neat about his particular program, he has 3 small Yorkies that he does this fun thing where he kind of does like a ventriloquist, where he has 3 different voices for each of his dogs. And as you see the dogs in different scenes of his video, he'll throw the different voices for the dog. So what happens as he's doing things, whether he's working in his van or whether he's going on a walk or something else, he'll use these different voices like he's having a discussion with his dogs. And it is so cute. Like his smallest little dog, baby Mimi's, maybe I'll try to imitate, like if she was talking to him, she said, well, I love you, Daddy, but I'm shivering 'cause I'm cold today. And then, of course, he'd answer back to her. And it just adds a really nice depth to his little videos. And I think he has great followers for a couple of reasons. One is he's a bit of a philosopher. And the other, he just has these wonderful dogs that if you watch his program, I'm sure going to fall in love with them. By the way, I'm going to put down below his web page and his YouTube channel so you can click on them to go look at Campervan Kevin. Well, I'm a tweener too, and so are you. And this particular video was about, I'm not saying, I'm just saying, a little bit about history of going over Forest Mountain and Wairika. And anyway, this is Don, the armchair philosopher, two-bit philosopher, whatever you want to call me. Please make comments down below about this video, and you want to give it a, where's my thumb? Come on, thumb, come up here. There we go. Ha! Thumbs up, thumbs down, or whatever. Make a comment down below. I'd appreciate it. And I'll talk to you to our next video and keep you posted as to what's happening up here in Northern California during this very interesting winter. So anyway, have a good day, you YouTube folks, and let's make YouTube community bigger, larger, and even more fun. So have a good day, folks.